What's this? What's this? This a panda bear kan eh? Fox kan eh? This is yay. Ito lang. Ito lang. This is panda. Ito nung nimo. Papa will help you ha. Ito nung nimo. Very good. Do not put in your hands.
Sige, pilit.
Pilit.
Wow.
Just yay. Another thing.
Wait. That's not a fox. A fox good eh.
Oh, fox gani. Lupigan pa kasi mo anak di.
Ayaw ko tao eh. Wait.
Lupigan pa si Papa.
Ako na piling mo ba? Pilit. Pilit. Pilit tinggi ko anak.
Wow.
Next.
Next is what's that? Wow. Snake pag yan.
Yun na, owl. Owl.
Owl. Yay. Oh, owl. Wow.
Pilit.
Wow! Yay!
Next.
Next is?
What's this?
What's that?
Asa? Kani?
You find?
No.
Wow, be? Mo magod na?
Di mo.
Di na mo.
Kani oh.
No.
Mo ni.
Nami antler oh.
Mo ni.
Na, go. What is that? Wow, what is that? Wow. Okay, what's next?
Ito sunod.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Wow! Lupigan mo kasi mga...
Penguin. Penguin.
Oh, sa abot lang ni mo. Kaya depende man sa mong height.
Dili na.
Penguin.
Pilit.
P.
Pilit.
Wow! Okay, what's
this?
that?
Snake.
Wow!
Snake. Baby.
Wow!
Ting.
Ano may kaon mo dong? Why are you so hyper?
Oh, dali.
Why are you so hyper dong? Why are you so hyper? Ha? Sige kaon mo? Sige kaon mo?
Pilit.
Wow! Wow!
Next. What's this?
What's that? Ha?
Dog.
The wolf.
Dog daw.
Dog with.
Baby, how tall are you, How tall are you na? Come on.
Measure.
Oh, measure. You measure your height na.
You can
Look the back.
Dog.
Dog.
Oh, dog. Scary dog.
Dog with.
Okay, come on. Find your height. Near the wall.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh. Wow.
Tunog. Sige lang.
Okay, what's next? That's a
Dog.
deer.
Deer.
What? What is that? What is that, Sander?
Kaabot ka. Di na kakaabot oy.
Be, tanaw, dumabot ba mo? What is this, Sander? What's this?
Binaw.
Binaw.
Deer, very good. Wow. Oh, find your height, Be. Find your height. Be, find your height. Mabot naman mo. Wow. Very good. The animals.
Panda.
Panda, very good.
Fox.
Fox.
Owl.
Owl.
Pig.
Deer.
Pig.
How about this? What's this?
Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin, very good. Snake.
Dog.
Dog.
Deer.
Deer. Okay, what's this? How about this? What's this? Rat. Mouse, very good.